Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Instagram two-factor authentication for account privacy, full guide step-by-step clearly. To begin, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Log into your account if you haven't already done so. Once you are logged in, navigate to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. In your profile, locate the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and tap on them. From the menu that appears, select Settings at the bottom. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Security. Under Security, tap on Two-Factor Authentication. You will see an option to enable two-factor authentication. Tap on Get Started to begin the process. Instagram will present you with two methods for receiving your authentication codes, using an authentication app or receiving text messages. If you choose the authentication app, select that option and follow the prompts to link it. Make sure to install an authentication app like Google Authenticator or Authy if you haven't done so yet. After setting up the app, scan the QR code or enter the code manually in the app. If you prefer text message codes, select that option and enter your phone number. You will receive a text message with a confirmation code. Enter the code you received to verify your phone number. Once verified, you can toggle on the Require Security Code option. You will also have a backup set of codes available for times when you cannot access your two-factor method. Save these codes in a secure location. After completing these steps, you will have successfully enabled two-factor authentication. Remember to regularly check your security settings to keep your account safe. Your Instagram account is now better protected with two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.